Imagine having a superpower, a power that lets you learn almost anything instantly, a power that helps you create beautiful art or write amazing stories, even if you never thought you could. This is not a comic book fantasy. This is the reality for your generation, Generation Z. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is that superpower, and it is in your hands right now. You have been given a tool that no generation before you ever had access to. It is like having a wise mentor, a skilled assistant, and a creative partner available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to help you achieve your wildest dreams and solve the world's biggest problems. This opportunity is truly unique in history. Think about it. Your parents and grandparents had to go to a library and spend hours searching through books just to find a single piece of information. If they wanted to learn a new skill, they had to find a teacher, or sign up for a class that might be expensive or far away. They faced many barriers that simply do not exist for you anymore. AI removes those barriers. It brings the world's knowledge directly to your screen. It provides personalized guidance tailored just for you. This is a fundamental shift in how we learn, create, and build, and you are the very first generation to grow up with this power from the start. For you, technology is not a strange or difficult thing to learn. It is a natural part of your world. You grew up with smartphones, the internet, and social media. This digital mindset is your greatest advantage. You understand how to communicate, share, and connect in the digital world better than anyone. This makes you uniquely prepared to use AI in ways that others might not even imagine. You see it not just as a tool for work, but as a partner in your daily life. It is this intuitive understanding that will allow you to unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence and use it to build a future that is brighter and more amazing than we can even picture today. So, what does this mean for you right now, on this day, July 22nd, 2025? It means that the old rules no longer apply. You do not need to wait for permission to start learning or creating. You do not need a fancy degree or a lot of money to start building something incredible. Your curiosity, your ideas, and your ability to use AI are the most valuable things you have. This is your chance to leapfrog old limitations and start making a real impact on the world. You are standing at the beginning of a new era, armed with a power that can change everything. The only question is, what will you do with it? Learning has been completely transformed by artificial intelligence. In the past, everyone in the classroom learned at the same pace from the same book, but we all know that everyone learns differently. AI changes this. It can be your personal tutor, explaining complex ideas in simple ways that make sense to you. If you are struggling with math, an AI can create practice problems just for you and walk you through them step by step. If you want to learn to code, AI can give you instant feedback on your work. This means you can learn anything you want, much faster than ever before, and master skills that will open up endless new doors for your future. Creativity is another area where AI is a game changer. Maybe you have a vision for a painting, but do not have the technical skill to create it. You can describe your idea to an AI, and it can help you bring it to life. Maybe you have a story in your head, but are struggling to find the right words. AI can help you brainstorm plot ideas or improve your writing. It is like having a tireless creative assistant who never runs out of inspiration. This allows you to express your unique vision without limits, turning your imagination into tangible art, music, videos, and stories that you can share with the entire world. And what about starting a business? In the past, this required a lot of money, a detailed business plan, and a team of experts. Today, AI makes it possible for anyone with a good idea to become an entrepreneur. You can use AI to research market trends, design a logo, write marketing copy for your website, and even create a digital product to sell. It lowers the cost and complexity of starting a business so dramatically that you can launch your own venture from your bedroom. This gives you the power to be your own boss and build something that you are truly passionate about, right from the very beginning of your career. The most exciting part is how these areas connect. You can use AI to learn a new skill, like digital marketing. Then you can use AI to create a unique product, like a series of custom art prints. Finally, you can use AI to build a simple online store and market those prints to a global audience. The barriers between learning, creating, and earning are disappearing. You have a complete toolkit at your fingertips that empowers you to turn your passions into projects, and those projects into a potential career. The only limit is your own curiosity and drive to make things happen in this new landscape of opportunity. The world of work is changing, and AI is giving you a massive head start. Traditional jobs are being reshaped, and entirely new roles are being created every day. By understanding AI, you can work smarter, not just harder. For example, in any office job, you can use AI to summarize long reports, draft emails, or analyze data in seconds. This frees you up from boring, repetitive tasks and allows you to focus on the things that humans do best: thinking critically, solving complex problems, and collaborating with others. This ability to use AI as a productivity partner makes you incredibly valuable to any employer, giving you an edge in the job market. Freelancing and the gig economy have also been supercharged by artificial intelligence. You no longer need to be just a writer or just a graphic designer. With AI, you can become a one-person creative agency. A client might need a logo, a website, a blog post, and a social media campaign. In the past, that would require a whole team. Now, you can use AI tools to help you deliver all of those things yourself, quickly and professionally. This means you can take on bigger projects, serve more clients, and earn more money, all while having the flexibility and freedom of working for yourself. Your ability to leverage AI multiplies your skills. Think about all the ways you can start earning money right now without waiting for a traditional job. You can start a YouTube channel and use AI to help you write scripts and edit videos. You can design and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or website templates using AI to help with the creation and marketing. You can offer freelance services like AI-powered content creation or AI business consulting to small businesses. The possibilities are truly endless. The key is to think creatively about how your AI skills can solve a problem or provide value for someone else, turning your knowledge into income. To get ahead, the most important skill you can develop is learning how to prompt AI effectively. This means learning how to ask the right questions and give clear instructions to get the best results. This is a skill in itself, and this is one that your generation can master. Start practicing. Experiment with different AI tools. Share what you create online to build a portfolio and attract opportunities. Be ethical in how you use AI, always being honest about its role in your work, and most importantly, never stop learning. The world of AI is moving fast, and by staying curious and adaptable, you will always be one step ahead. Older generations often look at new technology with caution or confusion. They had to adapt to a digital world that was built long after they grew up. For them, using a computer or a new app was a skill they had to learn. For you, it is second nature. This is your home field advantage. You are not just users of technology, you are natives of the digital age. This deep, intuitive understanding of how digital systems work gives you a massive lead in harnessing the power of AI. You see connections and possibilities that others might miss, simply because you think and live in a connected world. Furthermore, your generation has the power of community in a way no other has before. You are connected to millions of other young people around the globe through social media and online platforms. When one of you discovers a new AI tool or a clever way to use it, that knowledge can be shared with everyone else in an instant. You learn from each other, collaborate on projects across continents, and build movements together. This collective intelligence is a powerful force. While previous generations worked in isolation, you have a global network of peers to support you, inspire you, and help you push the boundaries of what is possible. This combination of digital nativity and community-driven learning means the barriers that once stood in the way of success are lower than ever. You do not need to come from a wealthy family or have connections to an exclusive industry to make your mark. Your talent, your ideas, and your ability to leverage AI are what matter most. You can learn any skill you want, build a global audience for your work, and launch a business with minimal resources. This is the great equalizer. It is a chance to build a more fair and inclusive world where success is determined by your passion and ingenuity, not your background. This is your moment. The future is not something that is happening to you. It is something you are actively building right now, with every prompt you write and every idea you share. You have been given a powerful tool, a global community, and a unique mindset to lead the way. Do not wait for someone to tell you what to do. Be curious, be bold, start creating, start building, and start learning. Use this AI superpower to solve problems you care about, to create beauty in the world, and to design a future that reflects your values. The story of this century is yours to write, and it starts today.